The history of mathematics, Egypt, Babylon, and Greece, foundation of human thought. Welcome to this journey through ancient mathematics. Before calculators or textbooks, early civilizations discovered and documented incredible mathematical ideas. Let's explore how Egypt, Babylon, and Greece contributed to the math we know today. Babylonians lived in Mesopotamia, the land between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers. Their math was written on clay tablets using cuneiform script. They developed a base 60 system, which still influences how we tell time and measure angles. Babylonian scholars used math to solve real world problems. They created detailed tables to add calculations, solved quadratic equations, and even predicted celestial events with surprising accuracy. In Egypt, mathematics was a tool for practical life, from measuring farmland after Nile floods to building pyramids. Egyptian math was functional and hands on. The Egyptian understood geometry well. They used fractions efficiently and calculated areas and volumes. The famous Rand papyrus shows how they approximated pi and solved problems step by step. This is fascinating. Greek mathematics marked a shift. They weren't just solving problems, they wanted to understand why the solutions worked. They introduced logic and proof, creating a tradition of deep thinking. Greece produced legendary thinkers. Thales began the tradition. Pythagoras explored ratios and harmony, and Euclid organized math into a logical system. Archimedes discovered principles of mechanics, and Eratosthenes estimated Earth's size using shadows. Greek math continues to influence us today. Their belief in proof and abstract reasoning laid the groundwork for everything from algebra to calculus. They turned math into a science. This is mind blowing because the math that we see today was one of the influences we have of Greek mathematicians. From the calculations of Babylons to the geometry of Egypt and the logic of Greece, each civilization brought something essential to math. Their legacy continues in every equation we solve today. Thank you for joining me. I hope this journey through ancient mathematics inspires you to see math not just as numbers, but as a story of human discovery. And one thing that I want to say is this shows you how we have to appreciate the people who came before us because many of the foundational work of mathematics were developed by these amazing Greek uh, mathematicians, Egyptians, and Babylonians. So we shouldn't take this for granted because they played a really, really big role to have the mathematics that we have today from the pi, from the number pi, abstract algebra, and many things. So we should never underestimate the power of the people who came before us, the mathematicians who influenced the math we have today. And thank you for watching. Any comments, questions, and reflections are appreciated. Mathematics is the language with which God has written the universe, and it's amazing. And thank you for staying with me for a while.